Alright, first we're going to calibrate jaw 1. Keep the jaw open all the way. Put the stylus in the collet. Make sure you don't have the cutter and that you do have the stylus. And then we'll go to Operations at the top left. Click Calibrate Cutter. Type 1 and press OK. And this is where it should touch off at. It should touch off in the middle where the key sits. Then to the left. And then to the front. And you'll see update in progress. Let that finish. Once that's done, you'll press OK. Takes a few seconds. Calibration complete. Alright, since we have the stylus in the collar, we'll go ahead and do the jaw 3. So we'll go to Operations, Calibrate Cutter, type 3, and press OK. Should touch in the middle where the key sits, then to the left, then to the front. Alright, same thing here, takes a few seconds. Alright, now we'll go ahead and calibrate the cutter for the jaw 2, the cutter wheel. Now what you'll want to do is flip up this shoulder stop. Now, sometimes, depending, you'll probably have to push down just a little bit. So not all the way up, down just a little bit, okay? And then Operations, Calibrate Cutter, type 2, and press OK. And this is what it should do. It should touch the front of the A. Now remember, when you calibrate the cutter wheel, you want A side facing the cutter wheel with the jaw closed all the way. You should hit the front of the jaw and then touch that shoulder stop. Press OK there. Now we'll calibrate the tracer. So what we'll do is we'll flip down the tracer, just flip the red knob down, and we'll do jaw 1 first. So Operations, Calibrate Tracer, type 1, press OK. Should touch about the same spot that the stylus did. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to calibrate the tracer for jaw 3, but we have to not have anything in the collet. So no cutter, no stylus. Alright, just like that. Operations, Calibrate Tracer, type 3, and press OK. Should touch about the same spots that the stylus did.
Yeah, I know. Hey, neutral is all the way down. You guys might come on me.
And now your machine is fully calibrated.